All right, so usually, even when somebody silicones these on a little bit, you can get under it and pop it and it comes off. This one ain't the case. They are so on there. I'm not going to even put much in it, but look at how much it's bending just to try to break the seal. So I'm very wary of this, Tim, and I'm very concerned because we can't get a blade under it because Ford, GM doesn't do this because GM is cheap. Ford has a flange for the gasket to ride in, so you can't just go and work your way around. So I'm very wary about bending or damaging these chrome valve covers. Just letting you know, we have to get them off to fix what we have to fix, but I don't want to destroy them either. But we just have to be careful. I don't know how to even word this. It's just like I don't want to bend the crap out of them, but in order to get them off, they might have to get bent. So they're straight. You can straighten them for the most part, but I'm just really concerned because it's a lot. Like, look at that. That's scary. Because that's way too much silicone. Like, oh my God. This side's the same way. Oh, so I'm over here on the driver's side getting ready to start undoing the hardware for the valve cover on this side, which is also silicone bombed in. They've dribbled silicone here. There's a dribble of silicone here that has the oil pressure sending unit wire stuck in it. Bernsey, look at that. See where I'm at?
Oh, nice.
Isn't that cute?
That is cute.
Yeah, that's lovely. That's top quality work. Wow. Unbelievable. So much work! Oh. And now, Bernsey's been working here with me and Scotty for what, like 2 weeks now? About?
Yep.
Now do you understand why I'm so irritated all the time? Because 90% of what we do, in order to do what we need to do, we have to undo other people's shit work. Exactly. Fuck up some shit work first. All right, so AC compressor's up and out of the way. It's actually a very nice kit. It's from Classic Auto Air. They have good stuff. Good stuff. We actually buy from them quite a bit. So, here. Yep, like we said, this valve cover's silicone the F on too. So, get that apart. But, get that off. Next time we're over here, we're going to pull the valve covers. Get the intake manifold off. Water pump can come off. And then we got to pull the balancer because we have to pull the timing cover as well. So much fun!